Welcome to the Teatrx step-by-step guide on using the Mago app. We pride ourselves in creating the easiest to use meeting rooms in the world. To achieve this, we have partnered with Mago, the leading app for seamless workspace integration. Watch how Teatrx, powered by Mago's technology, is revolutionizing the meeting room. This video will focus on the QR code sign-in function. Let's get started. Teatrx will provide you with a personalized QR code. To scan the QR code, open the Mago app on your phone and push the Connect button. Show the QR code to the phone. The room will automatically sync to the device. You will have access to your SharePoint files, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and even files from your mobile device. This app can easily launch a meeting from your personal calendar or access your saved workspaces, plus you can control it with your mobile device. Then any work you complete moving forward is saved to your user account. Thank you for exploring the QR code sign-in function of the Mago app. Do you still have questions? Call or email anytime. From all of us at Teatrx. Thanks for watching.